Hello everyone and welcome back to another video on the Nathan's Numbers YouTube channel. Today we're going to be looking at the lowest common multiple, or LCM for short. Now it's a follow on from the previous video, so if you haven't watched the previous video, lesson 5, I'd recommend going back and watching that on highest common factor because you need to know that to know this. So this is just a straight follow on, so if you haven't watched it, go watch it now. There should be a link at the top of the screen to go watch that. So pretty simple really. With the highest common factor, we were looking at multiplying multiplying the numbers that were common between the two factors that were inside of this little intersection here. So in this case, when we looked at the factors, for 12 we had 2, 2, and 3, and for 30 we had 2, 3, and 5. These ones were common, and these ones were also common, so they go in the middle, times them together, so your highest common factor of 12 and 30 is 6. Now when we look at the lowest common multiple, what we do is we times everything inside of the Venn diagram. So we do 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. 2 times 2 is 4 times 3 times 5. 4 times 3 is 12 times 5, and that equals 60. So that is your lowest common multiple. So what your lowest common multiple is, it's the multiple that you get of these numbers that is common between them. So if we just list out some multiples, so let's start with 30. So you've got 30, 60, 90, and then 12. You've got 12, 24, 36, 48, and then you've got 60. As you can see, just by listing them out, you can see the lowest common one. So it's the lowest one out of both of them that's common between them both. And we found it using the Venn diagram method. So the rule that I guess you should take away from this is that for highest common factor, it is the stuff that's inside the intersection. So for highest common factor, you've got this stuff inside the intersection, and for lowest common multiple, it is just everything inside, you multiply it all together. So that will wrap up highest common factor and lowest common multiple. If you have any questions about it at all, feel free to leave it in the comment section below. I hope you've learned something from this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.